morning. It's Independent Investor on Independent TV. You're welcome. My name is Kingsley and Ambrose.
I'm Promodio.
Yes, we'll be discussing once more this Thursday morning, about the trading activities in the Nigerian Stock Exchange yesterday, and looking at what today holds for investors, and even Friday. Yesterday, we saw the market return back to the green. What is the magic? Is the Brexit effect waning? Is it easing already? Because even on the global market, you see that they all turned green.
Yes, we said it all that yes, it's easing at this point. Also, profit takers in our own market also seeing that market has pulled back. At the same time, now it's opportunity for them to enter again and not coming back. Especially as they see that any season is approaching.
Yeah.
You need to enter before you start hitting the market. And at the same time, this is the end of the month for the month of June. And you know that every month, end of the month, brokers always do what we call window dressing.
Yeah.
They do account balance for the month, the quarter, or the half year, just for them to know what is the position of their trading account. On that note, they would like stock to move ahead, to move forward. Why? Because that will also support their performance for the period. That's why that in the market exactly towards any end of the month, end of the quarter, market rally. That's the time you also want to put their books together. That's part of it. And also you know that when there is fundamental in the market, people can also look at long-term fundamental. And you know that in the equity market, factors that drive price, whether for short time or the long time, is earnings.
Yeah.
And if a company don't have that earnings, price will respond, market will respond to it. Your price will start dropping low. Now that we're looking forward to second quarter earnings, and even the March year end results are still coming in already, that tells you that investors are now looking towards how can we make effective use of this earnings by keying in now and see if they will beat market expectation. You know, if a company beat market expectation, the price will rally. If you go below the market, also treat the number the way it is. That is why people have entered this point. You can see that the buying position is more than the selling position. When compared to on Monday and Tuesday, where things were still down because people are selling. At Monday, I'm telling you that the selling position at Monday was 99%, while the position was just 1. On Tuesday, it dropped to 47% against 1% in a buying position for Monday. After yesterday, I think the market has been 82% buying position. I know that people are not taking position on that. And also, as you said earlier, that the easing out of the exit of Britain, vote for exit of Britain is also coming down. People have sat down. If they have sat down, they say, what is the impact of this exit? Is it immediate impact? Is it long-term impact? On that, they cannot adjust their portfolio. Anybody that will tell you that this exit does not have impact on the market, it's just deceiving us. The market is not operating. The market is not operating in isolation. It has relationship with other market. What affects the global market? Because funds are moving globally, looking for where information also are moving globally. You know, once they see that information, they will have to respond to it. I believe that today our market will still grow because now that we are seeing fundamentals for the market, people are saying earnings, and also as we speak, inflation is for the market, and also as I said earlier, funds are leaving some savings and windows for capital market to protect their fund, to hedge their case fund. On that, we'll see liquidity coming back again. And also, if CPN this week again, consider that this is only the second week they start their new policy, they can sustain it and there's stability in their policy. This the forex, if there's stability and consistency as we are looking at, that will also boost liquidity in the market and the economy at large.
Okay, yesterday the market was up 0.8%. Closing at 29.81 to 29,812.91 basis points. Advances yesterday, Wema Bank up 8%, Julius Berger 4.99%, Better Pens 4.92%, Skybank 4.81%, Universal Press 4.81%. What is in Wema Bank?
Yes, Wema Bank, even when the bank rallied before now, Wema Bank just wanted to try the rally and pull back. And also now that we are seeing this better earnings, Wema Bank before now they will issue a national license, which they will expand to nearly more states now. And expecting that this expansion also put a reflection in their results we're expecting, if not totally, but to have impact on them. Because if they expand to a new state, they are breaking new ground, more customers are coming, business are still going. But it cannot be as full, but this is a clue to know that this is a place to be. If a regional bank is turning to national bank. There is good thing for investor. And for the short term, people are not in position. If results come that is positive, they can come out. And to me, if you know we are sleeping in a human bank now, this is there is opportunity. And I tell you that anywhere in the world, banking sector is the engine room of the economy. If banking is the engine room, human bank cannot be selling below 1 naira, while other banks are selling above 1 naira. And to remember, they are still saving. Now they are going among people that are doing the CPN policy. Why would the bank not rally? Investor taking position on it is not a bad one. It's a bad position for investor. For Julius Berger, going back to site, we have seen that their results before have not been too good. But now that another government has come, they have put the new money. This money will also reflect in their people are not returning against, even not for immediate, for the end of the year. So the end of the year, we see better results from Julius Berger. For Berger Paints, the same thing applies because the more we are expanding our structure, so better paint will be there.
The infrastructure will be expanding.
Exactly.
So if you build a house,
You need to paint it exactly. That is what for me, for all those that do the materials sector, we do well because if the government really want to really diversify the economy, they need to put infrastructure on ground, and that will boost that sector. If this infrastructure and the budget is being implemented judiciously and we see the impact, we want to boost all this sector. That is why I said the delay of passing the budget has affected the economy. That's why we'll move to a negative position. But if by third quarter we start seeing more funds disbursed being implemented for one purpose, so that gradually we'll come out of this recession and we'll start moving up again.
Skybank.
Skybank is just market forces because yes, they are yet to release their full year. They are yet to release their first quarter is not there. But they are saying just market forces. People are just decided that they will release soon or not. But to me, investors should be very careful in buying such stock because if you don't know what the company has done for a year, what they've done for a quarter, I just buying as if you don't know what you're doing. Just like when you send a child to school, at the end of the quarter, you have to every time you have to come with because you assess the child. If for step back for their performance ability, you can assess them. For first quarter, you can assess them. To me, it's not a good.
Maybe investors are saying, well, it's not their fault.
It's not their fault, but numbers don't lie. You need to see the number first. You don't just put your money at where you know. In equity market, you take calculated risk, not risk that you are not.
Yes, these people may also just be taking calculated risk. Yes, their own calculation. It's the way you see it may not be the way I see it.
Okay.
Obvious, what do you think?
Yes.
What of University Press?
University Press, we are expecting their full year to hit the market the moment from now. It's one of the match accounts.
Okay. So investors are taking position.
Yes.
Okay. The decliners, Fitson.
Fitson have been in the news for more than a week now because of the approval of warfare conversion of their new factory. That has moved the price up. Now, we know that such news can sustain a company for too long. The news are moving. People are not taking
numbers.
Yeah, people are not taking profit until the company now support this claim with the improved numbers. Now that's relevant. But to me, long-term investors can still be buying Fitson because there's space for them. Especially when it comes to healthcare. It's something that whether the economy is doing well or bad, people have to take up because people are becoming old, children are being given back to that sector. Only that in Nigeria that there's no pure regulation between how workers enter or goes out. That's a problem. But in terms of the sector, people can be buying. So I think they're thinking long term and facing a good stock to buy at this price.
Ashaka Cement went up 5%, dropped 5% yesterday. Has it anything to do with the ongoing Lafarge Africa?
Yes, so investors might be calculating that
they don't want to enter.
Is it better?
They reduce.
So some think that is it better I should go with Lafarge or should I put that and watch them together and watch the two match together and enter back? No, it is investor. They tell me that it is information that investors have that they react to, and that will always form their movement. Whether they move to the right or to the left. Some people might be hesitating to see the end of the merger they are doing or the coming together of the two companies. But to me, if you're in Ashaka, you are good. If you are in Lafarge, you are good. But market forces are responsible for such job.
Okay. Champion Breweries lost 4.9% yesterday. Is it the Ramadan fast that is affecting the stock?
Not really stock, but this is a stock that rallied for more than 2 weeks. People are making more like 50% in the Champion. Taking off now is not expected.
Okay. UPDC.
PSC Property is one of the companies that I would say that supported the investor. So they gave a bonus of 1.5 and the 70 people dividend. So that year, the company earnings have on board and it has been moving southward for a long time. On that, market has to treat UAC and property in that form. Like I said, the price is still dropping until they start producing numbers. I look at that earnings will always support your price. When your earnings is positive, market will expect you for it. Or if it's positive, they treat you the way it is.
So how has the script issue affected their earnings?
No, it are two different things. They expand their numbers.
Yeah, they expanded the share issue. Yes.
And also, they are able to meet the expectation of investor by producing. Like, let's say that when a company has a good turnover, at the end of the day, the PAT is not as strong. It doesn't affect the investor. This would have been producing a marginal growth in turnover. Why their profit after tax have dipped automatically price has to follow.
Now, UPTC owns the former Dover Hotel.
Yeah, it's responsible for the so management can run to any time, but for now the result is not impressive.
Okay, so translation wide is here again.
Translation wide, yes, I would
4.73% down.
Purely profit taking for another. This is talk they are constant dividend payment. I will give them, but when it rallied for about last week, they moved last 2 weeks, moved for like about 20%, 18%. So people are bound to sell. Until we see their second quarter result now, that will not change the direction.
We will go into results, but before then, Zenith Bank, Okomo Oil, closed on net bid yesterday.
Yes, the demand for it, that even showing that
people want to lock in.
Yes, the demand for it, but the supply was not enough. At the end of the day, demand exceeds supply.
So you are not ready to sell your own, and people want to buy. So why won't you?
Yeah, no, this is what I want to buy, but there's no.
I know.
Yes, people are not selling. This is the number of people that are
holding on.
Yes, this money, as people add now, this bid will increase. But let the supply to take care of this before the bottom.
So nobody wants to supply. Okay. Now on the net offer list, you have a lot of insurance companies: Lasaco, Wapik, Universal, then Resort. What?
Do you know that since the last meltdown in 2008, 2009, the insurance stock have been dragging feet. Their performance has been below expectation. This company that you mentioned on the insurance sector, they have not produced any single result that is positive. A market that to treat them that. That's why everything on offer. And now they are actually people who is speaking.
But Wapik, I thought. Yeah, Wapik is here.
Okay, Wapik. Yeah, Wapik, it might be just for a short market movement or position. Wapik has come back to dividend payment. They did 3 kobo last time, and their number for first quarter was a bit better than the previous year. We see that it's just market for Wapik, but for others like Lasaco, Universal, and others. No. They are, for now, there's no number to support their.
What is happening to? What is wrong with Lasaco?
Lasaco is all this state where.
But Lagos State, or is it because has Lagos State demerged from?
No, I think they are still there. But
so are they not doing business with the state? Lagos has a lot of things that this company can benefit from.
I agree with you, but numbers they are releasing now is not impressive.
The number of cars in Lagos, even if a third party insurance, number of cars in Lagos.
That's the number of cars in
Lagos. The number of buildings
for Lagos State. So there are other insurance companies that are more.
I mean
for the state.
Yes. I mean there are buildings. Okay. And then are you not seeing that the law that requires that you insure a building,
one-story building?
A building, yes, one-story building under construction. Is that I'm not seeing that number in these figures.
That means the insurance company have not tapped into that. Other insurance companies can see that the results are still okay. We look at stock like Kingsley and Ambrose, the name insurance, ICO, those that are moving ahead. What's it called? Mansard. They are putting their house together. You can see the impact on their number. But others, I don't mention apart from Wapik, others there, they have not seen what they are doing. Resort, since that stock was listed 2 years ago, almost 4 years ago. The thing has been noticing, and the company has only just paid dividend once after they are listed. So then they've not paid dividend. And not only that, they are not doing regular future on the trading.
It's not a liquid stock.
Yeah, it's not liquid. People can, and even people to sell. So that's why I think that the offer is high. Because we want to sell, nobody is speaking.
Okay, no, the stock for the day. 7 Up yesterday released its numbers. Turnover was it limped from 82 from 80 it dropped from 85.6 billion naira to 82.45 billion naira. But the net profit was down by 53%, 7.1 billion naira as against 3.3 billion naira as against 7.1 billion naira. Earnings per share therefore dropped from 11 naira 27 kobo to 5 naira 20 kobo, and the company's directors are offering 1 naira 60 kobo as against 2 naira 75 kobo for last year. To analyze these numbers,
Looking at the numbers already, that's
no, first, how did the market receive these numbers?
yeah. When it came to the market, just came marginally, but I know when investors have sat down
analyze the
overnight, today you see what happened to the stock as market open. But looking at the figure, the top line, they made a marginal increase by moving from 82 billion to 85 billion. But the bottom line, which is the real cocoa for investor, is the profit after tax. And this drop with almost 53% drop, which is normal means half of what they made the previous
Went
year
into
operations or cost of trade, to reflect also the harsh the harsh business environment in the economy as we speak, and also consumers' purchasing power that has dropped too. So I think that when they come up with their new product of the rebranding of their product, they will sales, then the economy will be a bit better. But now people can afford to go without taking soft drink, because when you don't have money, you can go and buy pure water and drink. And on that, we can see that the part of the power economy is reflecting on. So that's knowing that this their product is not essential.
Yes.
It's not essential. It's just what you have that day. You are testing. These days, people are saying that if you take water, you can rub and take water instead of taking Pepsi or anything. But for me, their performance is below market expectation, and market will treat it the way to go. But what will only support this company as we speak now is that shareholding structure. Because the number of shares will be in the market will not have enough to pull it down. On that ground, to not go much, but people that want to still buy this stuff for future, they should retain and wait when it drop lower, they can start position, not at this point, because market has to react to this number that is not too impressive.
Okay. The maybe the concentrate is also imported, so the dollar aspect of it may have, maybe when we see the full numbers, we begin to see.
Also, the demand that work and they also ask questions. The numbers have but we need to hear from the horses from out the company, and let's ask.
Let them explain,
because the margin is too much. And yes, I know there's increase in their cost of sales that is increased to reflect the present
petroleum products.
Yes, situation, but that's not enough for you to drop yes from almost how many billion to 1.13 billion. No, from almost 7 billion to 3.3
about 7 billion to 3.3.
It doesn't make much sense.
It doesn't add up.
Yes.
Okay.
We need to look at the figure, and investors should be very careful. For those that understand the operation of yes, well, most times there's something that you cannot predict their performance. 7 Up performance can always fall because of the economy and can go up and down. Also, when a company comes with a new product, accessibility is very important. When people accepted that, when they package their different type of software, people accepted it everywhere. But now, as we are taking it on,
there's nothing to sustain that.
Because the purchasing power of many Nigerians has dropped on that. People can actually do without taking the drinks. Or just they need to diversify their own operation to bring more products
on the line.
Yeah, that will entice people more to boost their cost. This number is something like this, the price will go down. But on the long run, it's your earnings that price.
Okay. So, viewers, it's been a wonderful time here on independent television. What does the week hold? What does Friday hold for investors?
Yes, Friday can be dicey at times, and now the people are preparing for any season that we are in already. I don't see Friday doing so badly was even when the end of the month is today. The managers themselves will not be just exceeding the market tomorrow because they will end. No, they also want to see less position for the numbers to come. On that, tomorrow market might be a bit, let's say, missed if they come about. I think the force of demand and supply will determine the direction. But I know market, the possibility of market going up is either market going down tomorrow.
Okay, so viewers, we have heard it all. Until we come your way again, have a pleasant weekend.